Imagine the unimaginable. Picture the unthinkable. FBI files once hidden from the public gaze now lay bare the truth. A truth that was once cloaked in secrecy, shrouded in the shadows of the unknown. These are not mere files filled with mundane reports and outdated data. Oh no, these are the unseen files, the ones that shake the core of our understanding, the ones that confirm the existence of alien visits to Earth. For years, these documents, these revelations have been locked away, kept from the eyes and minds of the ordinary citizens of the world. Encased in steel and guarded by silence, they have whispered tales of interdimensional encounters and cosmic voyages. Tales that, until now, were thought to be the stuff of science fiction, the dreams of the overly imaginative. But the time for secrecy has passed. The locks have been undone, the silence broken. The veil has lifted, revealing a reality far beyond our wildest dreams. Rewind to the mid-20th century, a time when the world was gripped by Cold War paranoia. The specter of nuclear annihilation hung heavily in the air, and the people looked to the skies with a sense of dread. It was an era of secrets and subterfuge, a chess game of geopolitics where information was the most potent weapon. In this twilight world of intrigue, a new classification of files emerged. Buried in the labyrinthine depths of the government archives, these documents held revelations that would have made even the most hardened spy's blood run cold. They hinted at visitors from beyond our world, beings of unimaginable power and intelligence who had apparently taken an interest in our tiny blue planet. Yet these were not the fantastical musings of science fiction writers. These were cold, hard facts, documented by the most rigorous minds of the time. Reports of strange lights in the sky, of aircraft that defied the laws of physics, of encounters with beings that were decidedly not of this earth. These files were treated with the utmost secrecy. Only a select few knew of their existence, and even fewer had access to their contents. The reasons for this were manifold. The Cold War was a time of fear and suspicion, and the notion of extraterrestrial life was a Pandora's box that the powers that be were not ready to open. Moreover, there was the fear of mass panic. If word got out that we were not alone in the universe, that these visitors had technology far superior to ours, who knew how the public would react? Would society crumble under the weight of this cosmic revelation? It was a risk that the authorities were not willing to take, so these files were locked away, hidden from the public eye. A cosmic truth shrouded in layers of secrecy and deception. In this era of unease, the existence of these files was buried deep within the classified archives. Fast forward to now, where the clandestine pages are finally seeing the light of day. Let's peer into these declassified documents, shall we? They're not just your run-of-the-mill government papers. Oh no, they're a veritable Pandora's box of cosmic revelations. Upon opening, we find ourselves facing a swirl of case reports, eyewitness accounts, and scientific analyses. Each page is a breadcrumb leading us deeper into the rabbit hole of extraterrestrial encounters. Now, let's not be hasty. We're not talking about little green men in flying saucers. We're delving into something far more profound, something that challenges the very fabric of our reality. These files speak of beings from other dimensions, hinting at the existence of a parallel universe. Let's take a closer look. One case file details an encounter that occurred in the mid-20th century. The report describes a craft of unknown origin, defying the laws of physics as we know them. The eyewitnesses, respected scientists, their credibility beyond reproach. Their observations, detailed, consistent, and utterly mind-boggling. Another file reveals a series of events that unfolded over several decades. Reports of strange objects in the sky, of time and space bending in inexplicable ways, of communication with entities that claim to be from another dimension. The evidence is hard to dismiss, and the implications are staggering. These files are more than just paper and ink. They're a testament to the vast, uncharted territories of the cosmos that await our exploration. They're a reminder that we're but a small speck in the grand tapestry of existence. So, what do we make of all this? We're left to grapple with the fact that our reality may not be as concrete as we once believed. We're on the precipice of a new understanding, one that expands our perception of the universe and our place within it. These documents hint at the unimaginable, interdimensional encounters that defy our understanding of reality. The disclosure of these files shakes the foundations of our collective beliefs. It's not every day that the very fabric of our reality is questioned, let alone irrevocably altered. Yet here we stand, on the precipice of a new understanding, teetering between the known and the unknown. Is it unsettling? Absolutely, but it's also thrilling. We are not alone. This revelation in many ways is a mirror reflecting our society's deepest fears and hopes. It challenges our understanding of existence and reality, unsettling our long-held beliefs and throwing open the doors of possibility. We've always asked, are we alone in the universe? Now, we have an answer, and it's a resounding no. But with this answer comes a deluge of new questions. What do these visitors want? Are they friend or foe? How have they influenced our past? And more importantly, how will they shape our future? Think about it. Every sci-fi movie, every alien invasion book, every UFO sighting, they've all been validated in one sweeping revelation. Our fascination with the extraterrestrial wasn't just fantasy, it was a premonition of this reality. We've been prepared in a way by our collective consciousness that has always sensed something more, something beyond. This revelation forces a shift in our societal narrative. It's not just about the shock and awe anymore, it's about acceptance and understanding. It's about redefining our place in the cosmos. It's about coming to terms with the fact that our planet is but a tiny speck in a vast, teeming universe. Consider the impact on science. Our understanding of physics, of time and space is bound to evolve. Religion, too, faces a reckoning. The existence of other life forms prompts us to reevaluate our spiritual beliefs. Are we truly God's chosen ones, or just one of many creations? The ripple effect of this revelation cannot be understated. We are left questioning, rethinking, and reassessing the universe we thought we knew. It's a daunting task, but one that holds the promise of a future beyond our wildest dreams. In the wake of this astonishing revelation, where do we go from here? Imagine a world where the existence of parallel universes is not just a staple of science fiction, but a proven fact. The declassification of these files has the potential to propel us into a new era of scientific discovery. It could reshape the way we conduct research, opening up avenues of exploration that we hadn't even dared to dream of before. We could be on the cusp of understanding the fundamental nature of reality itself. The scientific community may find itself grappling with questions that were previously the domain of philosophers. What does it mean for us, as a species, if there are other versions of us out there? Are we unique, or are we just one of a myriad of possibilities? It's not just science that could be impacted. This revelation could have profound effects on our culture and society as a whole. It could challenge our perceptions of our place in the cosmos. We've always seen ourselves as unique, as special. But what if we're not? What if we're just one version of humanity among countless others? And what about our interactions with these other worlds? Could we establish contact? Could we learn from them or they from us? Could we open up a dialogue across dimensions? The possibilities are as endless as the universes themselves, but with great knowledge comes great responsibility. We must tread carefully as we navigate this new frontier. We must consider the ethical implications and ensure we don't lose our humanity in our quest for understanding. As we stand on the brink of a new era, we are left to ponder the vast untapped mysteries of the cosmos. We began with a question and end with even more. As we've journeyed together through this labyrinth of declassified files and cosmic revelations, we've unearthed truths that both dazzle and confound. These documents, once hidden in the shadows, now shine a light on the tantalizing possibility of extraterrestrial encounters and parallel universes. Yet, like all great mysteries, each answer only invites more questions. The existence of these files suggests a universe far more intricate and enigmatic than we ever dared to imagine. It's a cosmic puzzle, a celestial enigma that continues to intrigue us, to pull us into its gravity. We stand at the precipice of a new era, where the lines between science fiction and reality blur, where the unknown beckons us with the promise of discovery. But remember, the story is far from over. In this ever-expanding universe, we may be closer than ever to understanding the truth. Stay curious, stay questioning, and remember, the universe is full of infinite possibilities.